Right, hey guys, hope that you're practicing. It's going to be a couple weeks until we meet again, so I wanted to make sure I got this video out to you guys to practice over the time that until we have guitar lessons again, okay? So today we're going to cover two different scales, and we're going to cover Old MacDonald. What else are we going to cover? So I'm going to show you a couple scales. This is what it's going to sound like. Then we'll slow it down so you guys can learn how to do it. But this is what we're going to learn today. Scale number 1, scale number 2. Okay, we're going to work on those two scales this week. And we're going to learn 4 chords. Okay, E chord. Sounds like that. A2, which I think we may have worked on before, but I want to remind you of it. A2, but I want you to play it with these two fingers, which we'll talk about. And then I want you to learn the B chord, B sus, and the C sharp minor 7. Those are chords you'll use together a lot, okay? All right, scale number 1 goes like this again. Then backwards. It's a major scale. Now, you take 4 fingers, lay them across the fretboard. First finger in fret 4, fret 5, fret 6, fret 7. I want you to put the first finger, 5th fret, E string, okay? Pinky. Now your fingers are going to stay in those frets. So this finger is going to play every note that played in that fret. This finger plays every note in that fret. This finger is going to play every note in this fret. And the pinky is going to play every note in this fret. 4th, 5th, 6th, and 7th frets is where I want you to do this, okay? So, middle finger, pinky, first, middle, pinky, first, middle, ring finger, pinky. Let's try it again. Middle, pinky, next string, first, middle, pinky, next string down, first, ring, pinky. Okay, and then after you do that, then you go backwards. On that scale, my right hand, my pick hand, is going to go down on the string, down, up, next string, down, up, down, up, down, stroke, up, stroke. So your pick's going to go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up is the pattern and movement that you're going to do. And you go with your string, so it goes like this. Okay, this is an expanded scale, and what it's going to do is it's going to stretch your fingers. You're going to go from the 3rd fret to the 5th fret to the 7th fret. You're going to use these 3 fingers, okay? So you're going to go 3rd on the E string, 3rd, 5th, 7th, next string, 3rd, 5th, 7th. This time you're going to go next string, 4th, 5th. Then you go backwards. 5, 4, next string, 7, 5, 3, 7, 5, 3. Okay, expanded, but it's hard because it pushes your fingers to go farther. All right, so those are the scales. Now I want to remind you of where your fingers need to be positioned when you're playing the guitar, okay? So look down here at the fretboard. You see my fingers, and these are the frets again. Don't forget the metal bars are the frets. So this between here and here is fret 1. Between here and here is fret 2. Here and here is fret 3, etc. Now, when you put your finger in, like the G chord, like that, you need to make sure that your finger is right in the middle of the fret, but closest to the metal bar, the metal fret. Okay? And then it needs to be here close to the fret, not back here, close to the fret. Not back here, close to the fret. Okay? Close to the fret to make good sound. Okay, this is the E chord. First finger, first fret, G string. Second finger, second fret, A string. Second fret, third finger, D string. Push on all of them, close to the fret. Make sure it's clean. Okay. This is the A chord. A2, I think we've done this before. Second finger, second fret, D string. Third finger, second fret, G string. Okay. B, you're going to take your first finger, put it in the second fret on the A string. Then you're going to use your ring finger and your pinky finger. You're going to skip over a fret and you're going to go down a string to the D string. So you're going to be in the 4th fret, D string, ring finger. And then you're going to go down the next string. You're going to stay in the 4th fret with your pinky, and you're going to be on the G string. So that's the B suspended chord. Okay? Now if you keep your hand in that position, you don't lift your fingers up at all, but you slide up 2 frets. 1, 2. Now you're straddling the 5th fret. You're not. And this is the C sharp minor 7. Exact same shape as the B suspended, but it's a C sharp minor 7th chord. Okay? Slide very well together because you can slide from the C sharp minor 7 to the B suspended chord down to the A without ever lifting your pinky and your ring finger. Leave them on there.